Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. This is literally my first video in like 5 months, 5 months, I think. And I just really want to apologize for the inconsistency. I've literally been so busy and school just started, so I have so much on my plate right now, but I was like, I need to get this video out. As some of you guys may know, if you follow me on social media, I started a business a few months ago. Quarantine made me do it. I am a certified lash artist, and I wanted to share with you guys the big goals that I've accomplished, and one of those is obviously starting a business. It's so challenging, you guys. Like, if you're doing a business by yourself, kudos to you because it's a lot that goes into it. I started something that I can potentially grow from in the future, and I'm very, very excited about everything that God has aligned for me, because obviously I wouldn't be able to do any of this without him. He's been guiding me with everything and providing, and just God is so good, y'all. And I just really want to share that positive energy, because anything you put your mind into, you can get. Literally, like, I'm a prime example of that, because I never thought that I would be where I am now. And, you know, I'm still growing, I'm still learning, and I'm very excited for what God has in store for me in the future. As you guys can see from the title, this is going to be my lash room tour. Honestly, I finished this room like a long time ago, but I never got the chance to put this video out because I've been super busy. I take 5 classes and all my classes are online, and I've also been getting a lot of clientele lately. I'm very thankful for each and one of my clients that's been coming to me and that's been consistent about their fills. So before I show you guys the room, I just want to say real quickly that if you need a sign to start something, start a business, say like you've been telling yourself that you want to start a business, and take this as a sign, because taking that risk and investing into something that could grow into something bigger, you really never know where it can take off. And if, you know, fear is holding you back, you have to kind of analyze that and think like, why are you scared to do it? And that's what I did. I never thought I would start a business. I never thought that I would put myself out there in a position to give other people service, and I'm glad that I did. I'm glad that I took that risk. I'm still growing, I'm still improving every single day, because I have so much to learn. So a little backstory behind my inspiration with this room. I really wanted to incorporate plants, things that are calming and peaceful to be surrounded by. And so I have a lot of plants in here. I want to buy more. Obviously, I have a problem. I already know this. I've had this conversation with like my mom all the time. It's kind of a problem, but I think it's a good problem, because who doesn't like plants, you know? Anyways, let's go ahead and get started with the room tour. Okay, so this is my door. I just have these little stickers on it that I got from Amazon. Over here, I just have a ribbon. Enter my room. This is what you see. I'm gonna give you guys a quick 360 so you could see what it looks like. I'm not really done decorating yet, but the majority of the things that I needed to do is done. Right here, I just have nail polishes, notebooks, and boxes. Here, I just have a few bags. And then these are just consent forms. Here I just kind of keep like towels and rags and stuff like that. These lights going around the room, which I love. It adds a nice effect to the room. Down here is one of my favorite things in this room, because I just love it. It's so peaceful to look at. I just have some crystals, a Himalayan salt, and just a waterfall thing. Right here I just have another plant. And then on top, I just have the prices. I honestly need to update that, so don't mind the prices on that. Right here, I just have a birthday cake candle, a mirror, these statues that my mom got me. They're really, really cute, and I feel like it adds a really peaceful touch to the room. This is the bed. It's very, very comfortable, and I made sure that there's extra cushion at the bottom. I have a client later, that's why it's set up the way it is, but I usually just put a towel and a washcloth. Just have my ring light, keep all my extra tweezers and stuff. This is my tray. Makes it easier for me so that I don't have to literally go through all my drawers to find certain things. So I just put it all together before they come. So real quickly, I'm just gonna go over everything. I have my lash soap. These are distilled water. I have my lash primer remover. This is a glue aid for making fans. This thing is my best friend, y'all. This is a mixer. It's a lab mixer for glue. It honestly has changed the game for me and I love it. Highly, highly recommend. I just have spoolies and stuff like that. These are for classics. They're the single lash ones. On top, I keep some of my lashes. So I'm not gonna go over everything, but, and then more lashes. Gel pads and other like more spoolies and stuff like that in the back. This is what I love to give my new clients. It basically just has my business card and aftercare instructions in here, and then I also added spoolies and stuff to clean your lashes with. Aftercare instructions tells you exactly what to avoid, and it's very, very helpful. Right here, I just have a bunch of random stuff. And then down here, I just have washcloths. That's what I have over here. Here is my office area. Honestly, this is my favorite part of the room just because my dad literally customized it for me and I'm very thankful for him. This used to be a closet, so we took down the doors, painted inside, and my dad actually built me this table, so it literally fits perfect. I just have these plants on this side because I feel like it adds a nice touch to it. My sis Janelle actually made me this. It's so, so cute. This is her business card, Nellie Allure Luxe. So make sure you guys follow her on Instagram and shop with her because she's so bomb. She literally customized that for me and I love it. That basically concludes my room tour. I'm not done yet because I am turning this into an accent wall, but that will be another video in the future when I do it. So you guys will see that. I just want to say have a good day and make sure you guys stay safe with this pandemic, and I'll see you guys later in my next video. Bye.